Hi everyone, Dumelang Telfata here from Losika Writes, teaching you how to speak Setswana or sing Setswana, whatever your persuasion might be. Today, I will be teaching you how to say a nursery rhyme that I'm sure most people know. I'll sing it in Setswana and then I'll sing it in English and translate it. So, let's sing it in Setswana. Dinonyane tse pedi godimo ga setlhare engwe mantsho engwe mosweu fofa mantsho fofa mosweu boa mantsho boa mosweu. The English version has two birds called Peter and Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul, come back Peter, come back Paul. In the Setswana version, the birds don't have names. There's a black bird and there's a white bird. I'll translate. Dinonyane tse pedi. Dinonyane is birds, pedi is two birds. Godimo ga setlhare, on top of a tree. Engwe mantsho, one of them is a black bird. Engwe mosweu, one of them is a white bird. Fofa mantsho, fly away blackbird. Fofa mosweu, fly away white bird. Boa mantsho, come back blackbird. Boa mosweu, come back white bird. Dinonyane tse pedi godimo ga setlhare engwe mantsho engwe mosweu fofa mantsho fofa mosweu boa mantsho boa mosweu. That's it. See you next time.